Hi, welcome to Yarn Again. My name is Teresa and I appreciate you coming by. Today is Mary Maxim Monday. This is the kit for March. It did arrive April 1st, so we'll call it April's kit because I'm sure it's the only one I'll get for April. And this is the reversible crossbody bag, approximately 5 by 7 inches. The cotton yarn is a 2. You get 132 yards in each skein, and you get 6 skeins of yarn, cotton yarn. And this is the one side. I can see doing that with some beads, some black yarn with some glimmer, and throw some nice beads on there. Make it a nice bag for a cruise or an evening out. And this is the reverse side. Each one of these kits runs $16.99 plus shipping. Shipping in the United States is $4.99, and these are all U.S. prices and terms because I do not have the information for the other countries. These are some detailed pictures that I found extremely helpful when I was making mine. I have not made more than two rows of mine. I'm up to this row here. I'm getting ready to do that row this afternoon. And I had to wait, and these pictures were truly helpful because I had no idea what they were talking about. Now when I saw the pictures, it made more sense. As I was saying, it comes with 6 skeins of yarn and this lovely little case. I kept them in the case because I only wanted to take out the one that we're working on so that you could see it. And the case and all the cases that they projects come in project bags, and they have a little pocket so you could put your tools or your pattern inside the little pocket. And then on the front cover, on the front, you will have the area for your pattern. So this is how far I got, which is not very far, I admit. I picked it up yesterday for the first time and I got 2 rows done. I am currently getting started to do the 3rd row. I will have at least that done next week. I'm sure I'll probably have more because I'll get impatient with myself and want to get it done. But this is the 2 rows I have done. It is just double crochet at the moment. Focus. There you go. And 1 chain of however many I forgot, and back loop the second foundation chain, and then half double crochets in there. It does look shiny, which is good because it is shiny, and it's really soft for being, it's just cotton, but it's really soft. Sometimes you get that stiff cotton. This is nice. And now I have to do that next step, which is called, because I don't know if you've heard of it. I have not heard of this thing. I have not been crocheting again for a long time. It is called the LDC, linked double crochet. I have never heard of that before. So that's why I was so grateful for these pictures. Because when they showed these pictures, I was able to figure it out. And I will be able to do that. I like to make sure I look at the pattern, figure out the pattern, get how the stitch is going to get done, consume that, get that in my head, and then I'll go back to it later, do it, and then go, I don't know why you were so worried about it. That's how I work. So, this is the poor excuse of a burst that I have started. I apologize. I will have more done next week. But that's my little line. Sad looking. Hopefully next week you'll see it a whole bunch more done on there. And maybe it'll resemble something other than just a tie for a hat or something. If you like this video and the silliness, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate you coming by. I do appreciate it if you would subscribe if you haven't already done so. If you have done so, thank you very much. I do appreciate having you around and part of my family. And I'll see you on the YouTube streets. Have a great day.